In this video, I will introduce with you a very short, simple but useful app with you. Whenever we are in social media or reading any article on Google or anything we are doing, watching a video on YouTube, we may like a video, an article, a post or links, anything. Due to our busy life, we can't continue watching that video or reading that article and we lost that. How we can easily find that? Here is a solution. Go to the Play Store. In the search bar, search for Pocket. Here you will find a simple short app. I have already downloaded. You can also download this. Whenever you read any article or watching any video or any post you like to keep or you like to read or watch next, then just share the content with the Pocket app. Select Pocket app to share the link. Yes, it has shared in your Pocket. Then open the Pocket app and you will find the links you have shared here. Whenever you get time, you can watch, read or see the post, videos and articles there, which is so easy and simple. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can use Pocket app to save any links for later. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching.